welcome to today's class, and today I will be showing you how to merge your data. Okay, so like I said in my previous video, that data transformation is completely different from data cleaning. So today we are still on data transformation, and this is where you merge your data. Merging of data is where you get information from different type of data set and merge it up to become one data set. Okay, depending on what you want to get from this data set. So for instance, you want to get the top 10 customers that based on their order. This is going to be possible it's going to be possible because you merged your customer table on the order table and the product type. Okay, so you can have multiple merged data sets depending on what you want to achieve. So as for today, we are going to be concentrating on merging customer table, order table, and product table, and also order time table, order item table. Okay, that way we could analyze our data later and say, okay, we want to get the top customers based on this merged table. So I will start with saying that first of all, I want to show you this table, like the five first values of this table, just so you know what we are about to do. Okay, so I'm going to say customer data dot head. Okay, dot head. This is going to so I'm going to say data. So I want to get the head of this data. So there we go. We have customer ID and every other thing. So I'm still going to read the order table. Okay, I will read the order item table, and we have order ID and product ID. Also, we have order tables. Okay, dot head. This is just to show you the head of the columns of this table. So we have order ID, we have customer ID, and we have order time. We have every other thing here. Okay, so now I would merge this table based on, so merging of tables is based on, let's say I want to merge customer table on order table. Okay, I would find the column that both of them have together. So now we have customer ID here, and order table has customer ID. So I'm going to merge this based on that customer ID. Okay, so I'm going to say merge data equals to customer data. Okay, and I'm going to merge this customer data dot merge. I am merging this on order tables, orders. I'm merging it on orders, and I'm merging it on, remember, you are going to find what both of them have, and both of them have customer ID. Okay, so they have customer ID. Again, you are going to merge this order based on how are you going to merge this order. Are you going to make them on the left or on the right? So preferable for me, I am going to choose left. So again, I'm going to merge the order item table on order ID because both of them have order ID on it. So I'm just going to click tab. Also, I'm going to merge product ID on product ID and on left. Okay, so now I will run this and everything is fine. Okay, so now I'm going to show the data sets that we have right now. Okay, so this is our data set, and it will have multiple columns. It will have a lot, so it will have a whole lot, as you can see, and there are some here that we are not even seeing. So for us to see this, I'm just gonna say column, just for us to see how many columns we have on this, because we have like 3 data sets merged together, and as you can see, we have about, if I'm not mistaken, 25 columns. So now, to be specified, we have like names that are not even clear. So we have name X and we have name Y. We have name Y, and we also have country X. We have country Y somewhere. Here you go. We have country Y. So now we have to rename these columns. Okay. So to rename this column, I'm gonna say merge data dot rename. This will enable us to rename our columns. Okay. So I'm going to rename this based on the columns, and I would say columns. So I'm going to use dictionary for this. So I would say this country X should be the customer's country. This is dictionary, so you need to specify this. So it's customer country, and it will be our customer country. Customer country. No, customer name, sorry. We have customer name, and I'm also going to do the Y. I'm going to do name Y, which will be the name Y is so here is the name Y, and it's on order. sorry, is on product. So it's going to be our products product name. This will be our product name. Okay, so next we are going to do we have country X and country Y. This doesn't actually make sense, because if you do it like that, you are going to be very confused on when you are actually doing the the necessary thing with your database. So for the country X, because this has already brought what I want, customers country and product country, though it's not product country, it's supposed to be ordered, where they deliver this order, because as you can see, it's on the order. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this and I will change this. It's not product country, it will be order or location. I'll just call it location, because this is where we sent our order to. Okay, so I'm just gonna call it location, right? So, and I will run this. This is what is looking like right now. So I will check the column again, just for us to see what our data set looks like right now. So our data dot head, no, dot column, dot columns. So yeah, we are going to run this now and to see what it looks like. So actually, I'm just going to put some variables on it, and I'm going to call it merged df. Okay, so that way we can run this and we'll see what it looks like. So we'll see what our merged df looks like. Okay, so because I've not run this merged df, I'm just going to run all of them, so you see it. So before, we have customer X and customer Y, but we renamed it, and we now have the basic customer ID, sorry, customer name, customer country, and every other thing. So now our data set is ready for us to continue with our analysis. So from here you can move on to say, get me the 10 top customers, or probably from this data. You are not going to use these data sets that you merged to continue with your data sets. Okay, now you have transformed your data from just single data sets to one complete data set that you are going to use for your analysis. So this is easy, because you're not going to say, from this table get me this, to get me that. This have merged your data, and it makes it more easier for you to do something. In the future, we are going to learn how to also add some columns to this data set. Probably you want to add like profit margin, average of the profit margin, or revenue, or something. I will show you how to merge, how to add columns on this data set. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this class with me, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.